2024 and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so for today's video, I'm going to share to you how we cook baked scallops. So, daghan kaayo klase-klase nga recipe no makita nimo sa YouTube, sa internet. So, this recipe is a combination of both. So, to start with, we need a half cup of butter. Next is we need 2 bulbs of minced garlic. So, i-mix lang nato and let it cook until medium brown.
Singer yan, te.
Next, for our ingredient, we need 125 ml of all-purpose cream. Guys, ayaw mo kahadlok og inani because it needs a lot of mixing to achieve this kind of consistency. Now we're going to prepare our scallops, no? So, tapos na nina ako gilimpyuhan ang scallops, gibrushan and everything. And then, iput na nato ang atong gihimo na sauce into the scallops. For me, ang pinaka-importante is the cheese because it makes your baked scallops creamy and cheesy and crunchy, of course, after niya ma-bake. Our scallops will go to the oven, and after how many minutes? Look at those bubbling cheese. Lami kaayo tan-awon. My gosh. And it's ready to serve. Thank you everyone for watching my video. If you have been enjoying it, please don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. Till next time, guys. For our next video, please abangan ninyo ang aming Singapore 2023 trip.